In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front brakes on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 4 lug nuts. If your wheel is stuck on, leave 1 lug nut, thread it on. Using a saw face hammer, we're going to hit the rim on the back. Remove the wheel. Remove the lock clip for the brake hose. Using a pair of pliers. Wiggle up. Pull it out of the bracket. Using a 7mm hex head, we're going to remove the caliper bolts. There should be little caps in these rubber boots. If you have them, pinch the boot and pull it off, or use a flat blade screwdriver and pop it off. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pop the clip off the front of the caliper, pop it out on the bottom or the top, and then twist it out and remove it. Using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the caliper. Using a hook onto there and suspend it from somewhere that wire. Hook the caliper hook somewhere where there's no tension hanging on the brake hose. Remove the brake pads. Using a 15mm socket, remove the caliper bracket bolts. Remove the caliper bracket. Remove the rotor. If your rotor's stuck on, put 1 lug nut on. Using a saw face mallet, tap the back of the rotor. Remove the lug nut. Remove the rotor. Install the rotor backwards. Use a clean rag and some brake parts cleaner. Spray down the rag, wipe down the rotor. Flip it over. Do the same thing on this side. Install 1 lug nut to hold the rotor in place. Using a wire brush, we're going to clean our bracket. Clean all of the spots that the ears of the pads are going to hit. Do the same thing on the other side. Our bracket's ready to go back onto the car. Install the caliper bracket. Get the bolts started. Torque the caliper bracket bolts to 98 foot-pounds. Install a bleeder bottle hose using a 9mm wrench. Open up the bleeder screw. Using a large pair of pliers, we're going to push the caliper back. Once your caliper is pushed all the way back, go ahead and close the bleeder screw. Get it nice and snug. Remove the bottle, install the bleeder cap. We're going to pull our caliper down. We're going to install the piston side pad. Make sure it's fully seated inside of the cup. Install the outside pad into the bracket and install the caliper. Remove the pins out of the caliper. Using some parts cleaner and a clean rag, we're going to spray our pins and wipe them down. Using a thin coat of grease, we're going to cover our pins. Install the pins into the caliper. Start them by hand. Snug them down. Torque the caliper bolts to 21 foot-pounds. Install the plastic caps if you have them. Install the locking clip for the caliper. Get this top installed first, and then the bottom. Remove the lug nut. If you used a hook to hang your caliper, go ahead and remove that now. Install the brake hose into the bracket. Install the clip. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds in a cross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.